names are Sibia Muhammad Hussein Khalil. Today, this is my second day I have attended Rehab Dental, and the services of Rehab Dental is great. They have qualified doctors who are very simple and can really accept your request as per your program, and they are very flexible. And what we want is that Rehab Dental is a very best clinic that can really serve you to clean your teeth, for transplant of root canal and everything. And they give you in a good offer that that is very friendly pocket. And then we request that all customers who are here or are from international to come to Rehab Dental Clinic. For more information, you can inquire at the reception. They are very flexible and they welcome. They have freely treated us. They have freely told us all our issues, and they have really acted with immediate effect. And we hope that you will all come and come to Rehab Dental Clinic. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. Come all. We will be served by great people and qualified doctors that are here at Rehab Clinic Dental at New Delhi. Thank you.